Welcome to How Made. Today we're taking you on a delicious journey through the fascinating process of how chocolate is made in a factory. From cocoa beans to the final sweet treat, let's dive into the world of chocolate making. Our journey begins in tropical regions where cocoa trees thrive. Farmers carefully harvest cocoa pods, which contain the precious cocoa beans. These pods are cut open to reveal the beans inside. Each pod contains 20 to 50 cocoa beans, surrounded by a sweet white pulp. The beans are scooped out and placed in large containers for fermentation. Fermentation is a crucial step in developing the beans' flavor. The beans are covered and left to ferment for several days. This process enhances the chocolate's taste and aroma. After fermentation, the beans are spread out to dry under the sun. This drying process can take up to a week, ensuring the beans are ready for the next stage. Once dried, the beans are transported to the factory, where they are roasted to bring out their rich, chocolatey flavor. The roasting process varies depending on the desired flavor profile. Next, the roasted beans are cracked open, and the outer shells are removed in a process called winnowing. What remains are the cocoa nibs, the essence of chocolate. The cocoa nibs are ground into a thick paste known as cocoa mass or cocoa liquor. This is the base for all chocolate products. The cocoa mass is then refined through a process called conching. Conching involves continuous mixing and aerating to develop a smooth texture and enhance the flavor. This can take several hours to days, depending on the desired quality. Tempering is a critical step to ensure the chocolate has a glossy finish and a satisfying snap. The chocolate is carefully cooled and reheated to stabilize the cocoa butter crystals. Once tempered, the chocolate is poured into molds to create bars, shapes, or other delightful forms. The molds are then cooled to set the chocolate. After the chocolate has set, it's time for packaging. Each piece is carefully wrapped to preserve its freshness and flavor. The packaged chocolate is then ready for distribution to stores and consumers worldwide. From the factory to your local store, the journey of chocolate is complete. Every bite you take is a result of this intricate and fascinating process. Thank you for joining us on this sweet adventure through the chocolate making process. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating How Made episodes. See you next time.